Hi guys, welcome back to another episode from the CaptainFishbeard.com channel. Today we're going to draw a frog. But you knew that from the title already, didn't you? Guess what? It's all about shapes. I say that it's the second sentence of every single video that I do, don't I? Because it is so important if you keep in your mind the shapes that you're going to need to use. So a frog, what shapes are we going to use in this one? Is it large rectangles? No, it's not. It's roundy shapes. Basic circle, start with that. I want my frog, again, depending on how you want yours to be, I want it to be a bit sort of lumpy, chunky, kind of largy frog. So I'm going to keep the bottom of that circle. And I'm going to taper it slightly to the top like that. So it's become sort of a squashed egg shape. You can probably tell me what that looks like better than my imagination can at the moment. Leave a comment so I can see, so I can talk about it better in the future. Squashed egg is what I'm going to call it at the moment because it's sort of a squished down eggy shape. Then ovals on the side, thinner ones each side. Again, doesn't matter if these become sausages or if they go off or too big, too small, you can work with that. And again, pencils are your friends. You can rub anything mistakes out. For the feet, coming out like this. These can be tricky. These can look wrong if you... Again, there's a kind of a triangle there without a real top. It's more of a cheese grater. And then for the feet, you can either just, if you're confident, do that. If you're not confident, try and picture two little circles there, or even draw two little circles in there. Match them up, and it's going to give you a lovely froggy foot. I'm going to draw his front legs coming down like this. Front legs, hands, don't know what a frog has, but webbed like that. So they're pretty simple shapes as well. Then the world's your oyster, or your lily pad, as we're doing with frogs. You can put your eyes up here. That looks great. You can put your eyes here, and that looks great. Frogs are so forgiving. Cartoons of frogs, you can do them pretty much any which way you want. You can do them eyes right in the middle, and that looks good. So as long as you don't put them around here, and even then you might get away with it, you're absolutely fine. Put your eyes wherever you like on a frog. Then a big frog mouth like that, so you can go just a single line will do you there. Absolutely fine. If you wanted to give him a bit more life, you could put his sort of flappy tongue coming out like that, or you could have his mouth slightly open like that. Beautiful on these ones. Then we're ready for the pens. Ribbit. So following those lines there, we're going to follow these eyes like that. That one's going to come over there. Open up these eyes like that. Down around the legs. Round those sides, that line there, you can see it's already coming together. It's looking really froggy already. And up there, we're going to go across the bottom, front, hands, legs, paws, whatever those frog things have. Follow the mouth around like that. I have left room for the tongue, so he's going to be flipping that up like that and maybe catching a fly. Easy as that. Up there, keep the eyes in like that. And there he is. Again, frogs are really forgiving. You can do all sorts of frogs as well. Maybe we'll do a jumping one at some point as well, which is going to be slightly more difficult. But at the moment, this is what we've got. Colour that in. Go for your life. You can have any colour you like on a frog as well. Just make him look a bit slimy. Good stuff. Thanks for watching. I shall see you again on another episode of How to Draw on CaptainFishbeard.com.